Hi children, good morning everyone. So here we have completed yesterday page number 145. So this is the class 2 children, the EVS subject, right? So we have completed, as I can turn the page, and we have completed the igloos here in the page number 145. So this is the EVS for class 2 children. Now we are doing the next one. Okay children, just concentrate and try to read by yourself. Okay. Tents are made of canvas and plastic. So these are what children? Tents. Please underline this. Tents. T-E-N-T-S. Tents. T-E-N-T-S. Tents are made up of canvas and plastic. Please underline canvas and plastic also children. Canvas and plastic. Okay. They can be like tents can be prepared from canvas or plastic. They are used when people camp in the open. When the people camp in the open means when you are going for camping na, that time it will be useful for us. Okay, they can be folded and easily carried anywhere. What is the spelling for folded children? F-O-L-D-E-D, folded. Spelling of easily? E-A-S-I-L-Y, easily. Carried, C-A-R-R-I-E-D, carried anywhere. A-N-Y-W-H-E-R-E, anywhere. So how the tents are made up of canvas and plastics. Next one is caravans. See, this is the caravan. Are you seeing this? In the like in the USA or UK it will be more common, but not in India. It is not common, but very few. These are called as caravans. Okay, what are caravans? First let us first read the caravan and learn the spelling for caravan. C-A-R-A-V-A-N-S. Caravans are houses on the wheels. Are you seeing these wheels? Yes, these are the houses on the wheels. Can you imagine children, like this is the house which can be moved from anywhere, right? So that is on the wheels. They can be driven from one place to another. What is the spelling for driven children? D-R-I-V-E-N, driven or driven, anything you can say. Okay. Caravans are the houses on the wheels. They can be driven from one place to another, or they can move from one place to another. Will your house will be moving from one place to another? No, but caravan can. So that is type of the houses. Okay children, now we are going to do the quick recap. Recapitulation starts from recap. Okay, a recap means a summarization. Okay, what we have learnt in this chapter. Okay children, a house protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind and wild animals. So how the house protect us from? A house protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind and wild animals. Okay, so this is the what are the things the house protect us from? This you can write the answer. Okay, Kacha houses are made up of mud and straw. Kacha houses are made up of mud and straw. Not only the mud and straw, but they can made up of small stones and bamboo and dry grass. Okay, these are all the things, dry leaves. Okay, these all will comes under the kacha houses only. Pakka houses are strong houses made of bricks and cement. So they are made from bricks and cement. Different materials are used to build different types of houses. So different types of materials are used to build different types of houses. People live in different types of houses like huts, bungalows, flats. Flats means apartments, and apartments and flats comes under the multi-story building. Okay, stilt houses, houseboats, igloos, tents and caravans. So these are the types of houses. As we have learnt all the things, no children? Huts, only one room. Bungalows, so many rooms. Flat, so many rooms, so many houses. Stilt houses above the ground and has a sloping roof. Houseboats which can sail in the water, right? Igloos made up of ice and covered with snow. Tents, obviously we have here made up of canvas and plastic. Caravans, they can be houses on the wheels, and they can be driven from one place to another. Okay children, so now we have completed the textual reading part also. I'll give you the what you call as I will give you the new words PDF, that only you have to learn children. New words PDF, that only you have to learn. Otherwise I can give prepare a video also. Read and answer, tick the correct answers. Our house make us feel what? Safe or unsafe? Yes, it make us safe, not unsafe. Please tick children. Long ago people lived in flats or caves? Obviously caves. Now people are living the flats and apartments now. In the ancient times it was not like that. The long years ago they are living in the caves like animals itself. Okay, just see here children, the president of our country lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. It has 340 rooms. Can you imagine children? It has 340 rooms only, right? And the president, who is our president of India children? Ramnath Kovind. Ramnath Kovind is our president of India, and where he stays in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay, and it has 340 rooms. Okay, these houses are found in places where it rains heavily. So like Assam is there, and the east parts of the India is there. Now it rains very heavily there, you know children. So they are more prone to the floods. So where they in that places, which type of houses you found? You will find igloos or stilt houses. Yeah, you are right. That is stilt houses. Okay, not igloos. Igloos are the houses where you can find in the snow, that are covered with the snow in the like Himalayas or in the Arctic regions or Antarctic region. There only you can find the igloos. Okay. Now B1. Change the underlined words to correct the sentences. Change the underlined words to correct the sentences. What does it mean children? Suppose they have given here park. So we have to change this word and we have to correct it. Okay, let us see what is fault in this and what is right in this, right? A park is a place where we live and feel safe. A park is a place? No, a house is a place. Yes, so already they have given it. Yes, H-O-U-S-E, house. Next, in cities most houses are made up of mud and straw. No, in cities, mud and straw are kacha houses, but in cities, pakka houses will be available. So that is bricks and cement. You have to write brick and cement. Please write this children, see and write. I'll just tell the spelling also. B-R-I-C-K-S, bricks, A-N-T and C-E-M-E-N-T, cement. So just take a screenshot or pause the video and you can write children. That will be very easy for you. Okay. Next one, a bungalow is a small house. No, a bungalow is a very big house. So you have to write big, B-I-G, big. Please write down children, B-I-G, big. So bungalow is a very big house and it has so many rooms. Okay children. Now here children, houseboat. What is spelling for houseboat children? H-O-U-S-E, house, B-O-A-T-S, boats are made of blocks of snow and ice. No, houseboats are those which can be like tourists are coming on this place and it can be sail on the sea or water, right? And it is like made up of wood. Yes, boats. It's a type of boats. Yes. So that will be not be the correct thing. So you have to write what children? Igloos. What is the spelling for igloos children? I-G-L-O-O-S, igloos. Please write down children. Okay. Next one. A hut is house on wheels. Hut has only one room children, and a hut is a kacha house. It can't be run on the wheels, right? And you cannot find the hut in the cities. You just find in the mostly in villages. Okay. So that is caravan. So caravan, have you seen here children? Here caravans are there, na? Caravans, houses on the wheels. So that you have to write caravan. Caravan is a house on wheels. C-A-R-A-V-A-N. Please write down, children. Yes. Now this one, children. Write yes or no. Huts are mostly found in villages. Yes. Y-E-S. Yes. A bungalow has one room only. No. N-O. No. We can see igloos in cities. N-O. No. Caravans can be moved from one place to another. Yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Please write down this, children. And we will be completing here. Answer these questions and think and answer we will be sending later. And till here you just complete the and few children has already completed, because I have done this one in the Zoom classes itself. So you can, if you will come regularly to the classes, you will get to know, but most of them you are not coming. So I am giving again in the video itself. Okay, children? Yes. Take care, children. Bye.